Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Diana and today we're going to be reacting to what homeowners do for a living. Basically this whole trend is about going to somebody's door and asking them, you know, your house is really nice, what do you do for a living? And they basically tell you, I think. So let's find out what luxury homeowners do for a living. That's a nice exterior. Audi R8, okay. Okay. Let's see. Oh, that looks nice. Wait, there's a little...
Hello, how's it going?
I'm good.
I'm good. Is this your house?
Yeah, of course it is.
What do you do for a living?
I'm an actor and I'm a beatboxer.
Huh?
Jesus, can you give me a beat?
Sure.
Awesome, buddy. Really good work. You're doing really well for yourself. Keep it up. Take care.
Thanks, bye.
Okay. I don't know whose child this is, but is he actually an actor? I don't know. Was he lying? I don't know. Does he own this house? I don't know. But yeah, that one threw me off. I was actually expecting an adult, but I got a kid. So yeah, let's go. Let's go to the next one. Okay. Very narrow. Okay, nice cars. Very nice cars. The range.
Hi, can I help you?
Hi, sorry for interrupting you. I saw your house. I saw the cars. I really needed to know, what do you do for a living?
I'm an owner of Sessions Cannabis stores.
Jesus, that's amazing. You're doing really well. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Take care.
So he seems to own a chain of like cannabis stores. Yeah, it's a lucrative business in some states that have actually legalized it. So yeah, make your money. Okay, looks quite big. Oh, a Tesla. Ooh.
Hi, sorry for interrupting you. Your house is beautiful. I really want to know, what do you do for a living?
I'm a real estate lawyer.
Wow,
Ooh.
okay. Thank you so much.
Nice. Okay, real estate lawyer, meaning he gets a little percentage if the deal goes through and all that. Really great. All right. His little dog. No, shout out to these people that are actually telling him what he does, because I feel like the intrusion. Anyway. Okay, very large property. Very traditional.
Sorry for interrupting you, sir. Your house is beautiful. What do you do for a living?
I'm a lawyer. I work with pension funds.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
So another lawyer. That's nice. I like that.
Hello. Hi, your house is really beautiful, and I really wanted to know, what do you do for a living?
Thanks. I'm a dream worker.
Amazing. That sounds magical. Thank you so much. Take care.
What's a dream worker? Does she work for DreamWorks? Does she work for DreamWorks? What the hell is a dream worker? Is that what they call themselves? Maybe. Maybe. Okay. Very traditional.
Your house is really beautiful, and I'm just curious, what do you do for a living?
I'm a physiotherapist.
Wow. Thank you so much. Take care.
See ya.
Okay, physiotherapist. Okay, girl. Okay.
I just wanted to know, what do you do for a living?
I head up Intrinsic Incorporated.
Wow, what is that?
I help make entrepreneurs' dreams come true.
Wow, amazing. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome.
Okay. There's actually a job for making entrepreneurs' dreams come true. Damn. I'm learning some things. Wow. Okay.
I'm just wondering, your house is really beautiful. What do you do for a living?
I'm a basketball player.
Wow, you must be really good at basketball.
That's a kid again. He keeps getting the house, like, let's just say I wasn't allowed to open the door at a certain age. Ooh, like a castle.
Your house is really beautiful, and I just wanted to know, what do you do for a living?
Oh, I have a trust fund.
Wow, thank you so much.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Ooh, we have a trust fund. I love that. That is amazing. Absolutely amazing. This looks like it could be in the south somewhere.
Hello, sorry for interrupting you. I'm just wondering, your house is really beautiful, and I want to know, what do you do for a living?
I'm a baby photographer.
Wow, thank you so much. That's awesome.
Oh yeah, they get money because everyone is so excited about their child. Baby photography gets a lot of money because everyone's just gushing over their baby and they love photography. They love photos in their house, so yeah. Ooh, grand gates. Ooh, don't know about the lights.
The gate was open. I walked up. Your house is insane. I really wanted to know, what do you do for a living?
I own a real estate company.
Wow, that's awesome. Doing really well.
Okay, making that money in real estate, yes. So he must be in the real high end of real estate because that house is absolutely huge. Nice. Okay, very nice. That door. Look.
Hi there. Sorry for interrupting you. Your house is crazy beautiful, and I just want to know, what do you do for a living?
I'm a personal shopper.
Wow, thank you so much. That's a cool job.
All right. So basically, she chooses outfits for like whoever her clients are. She takes the shopping to them. How cool is that? How cool.
I really just wanted to know, what do you do for a living?
I own an electrical contracting company.
Okay. Ooh, look at the exterior of this house. So grand. Very White House-ish.
Do you own this home?
It's my family's house.
Wow. What do they do for a living?
Construction.
Construction. Okay. Thank you so much.
So they're into constructions. Yeah, that would make quite a bit of money. The exterior was really, really nice. New build. Maserati outside.
Sorry for interrupting you. Your house is amazing, and I really just wanted to know, what do you do for a living?
I'm a real estate broker.
Wow. Okay. Thank you so much. That's awesome.
He's a broker, a real estate broker. They get a lot of commission when it comes to selling a home. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. G-Wagon.
Your house is amazing. What do you do for a living?
Who are you? I'm a singer.
Okay. Thank you so much. That's all I wanted to know.
Oh my God. She was not having that. She answered the question though. She's a singer. But yeah, she wasn't happy about that. Ooh, that looks nice. Ooh, that's very nice.
What do you do for a living?
We have a company that installs doors, automatic doors.
Awesome.
Radatech.
Thank you so much.
Nice little plug for her company there. Ooh la la. This outside. Ooh, Versace. Damn.
Hi there, sir. Sorry for interrupting you. Your house is probably the most beautiful I've ever seen.
Oh, thank you.
What do you do for a living?
I am an investment.
Okay.
Ooh.
Thank you so much.
So he invests his money wisely. He has the Versace house. That exterior is literally Versace'd out. Oh, he's calling this presidential looking. Oh, Maserati.
Hi there. Sorry for interrupting you. Your house is just so beautiful, and I really wanted to know, what do you do for a living?
I own a food factory in Iran.
Wow. Okay, cool. Thank you so much.
She seemed very nervous to say that answer, did she not? Yeah, no, I think it's a bit weird, people knocking on your door. Okay, interesting outside. Love the door.
Hey.
Hi there. Sorry for interrupting you. Your house is super cool, and I just really wanted to know, what do you do for a living?
I'm a technology executive.
Okay. Thank you so much. That's awesome. Take care.
He's an executive, all right? Technology, they are making bank. They are making a lot of money, okay? So don't sleep on it. That is huge. That's a mansion.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a cardiovascular technologist.
Wow. Okay, that's an interesting job. Thank you so much.
Cardiovascular fitness. I learned that in PE, yeah. So I know it's to do with the heart. So like we've had construction, real estate brokers, real estate. We have so many people relating to buildings basically. So that's what the homeowners do for a living. Hope you guys liked this video. Please do like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.